Hi, my name is Julian Suk. I'm a PhD student at the Department of Applied Mathematics and Technical Medical Center at the University of Twente. And I'm going to talk to you about my thesis, Geometric Deep Learning for Cardiovascular Hemodynamics Estimation and Beyond. During my PhD, my research interests have been learning approaches for the extraction of medical biomarkers from data that lives on continuous, possibly non-Euclidean domains, such as volumes and manifolds. In cardiovascular medicine, such biomarkers can be used to assess the risk of cardiovascular pathology. In many cases, cardiovascular pathology includes accumulation of plaque in the arterial wall, resulting in narrowing of the blood vessel, atherosclerosis. In extreme cases, such stenosis can cause a shortage of oxygenated blood supply to downstream organs, which can lead to myocardial infarction, peripheral artery disease, or ischemic stroke. In my PhD project, we primarily focused on application of geometric deep learning in the cardiovascular domain, but to demonstrate the generality of our methods, we also successfully applied them to neuroimaging data from the Developing Human Connectome project, DHCP. In my PhD project, my collaborators and me developed machine learning-based surrogate models for the estimation of hemodynamic quantities from patient-specific models of 3D anatomy. The estimated quantities included wall shear stress, pressure and velocity fields in the coronary arteries, as well as velocity fields in the carotid artery. 3D patient anatomy can be efficiently described by simplicial surface of volume measures, which is why we opted for geometric deep learning approaches in the form of message parsing. We paid particular attention to the group symmetries present in blood flow, in particular translation and rotation equivariance, summarized in a special Euclidean group SE3, and developed equivariant models based on gauge equivariant mesh convolution and steerable equivariant graph neural networks. High-fidelity meshes consist of hundreds of thousands of vertices, making it challenging for neural networks to accumulate global context in a large enough receptive field at reasonable computational cost. We achieved excellent results by building on the ubiquitous PointNet++, but soon realized that the mesh is just an artifact, not a feature of the discretization of space. Consequently, we turned our attention to transformers and developed LabGator, a general-purpose equivariant model with global context aggregation after a single layer, which we will present at MICCAI 2024. Accompanying each of our works, we published open source implementations on GitHub.